Honorable Raksha Mantri, Shri Rajnath Singh Ji, Honorable Chief Minister of UP, Yogi Adityanath Ji, Honorable Minister for Infrastructure and Industrial Development of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Satish Mahana Ji, respected Defence Secretary, Shri Ajay Kumar Ji, respected Chief Secretary Uttar Pradesh, Shri R.K. Tiwari, respected Special Secretary Defence Production, Shri Barun Mitra Ji, Shri Hitesh Avasti, DGP UP, respected Additional Chief Secretary Home and CEO UPEDA, Shri Avnish Avasti Ji, respected Principal Secretary Infrastructure and Industrial Development, Shri Alok Kumar Ji, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a privilege for me to propose the vote of thanks at the validity function of this immensely successful 11th edition of Def Expo 2020 in UP's most loved city, Lucknow. With focus on digital transformation of defense, this event was witnessed largest ever participation of diverse domestic and global defense equipment manufacturers. More than 1,000 exhibitors, including 172 from foreign exhibitors, have participated in this event in an exhibition area nearly double from the last edition. I would like to begin by thanking our Honorable Prime Minister for blessing us with his presence on the opening day and inaugural event. We are fortunate to have patronage of Honorable Raksha Mantri Ji, who, in spite of his busy schedule, made it a point to remain present throughout the event days and participate in various seminars and meetings. I would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh for being the guiding light in preparation of this event. His active engagement and guidance from the inception of the Def Expo 2020 has helped us immensely in organizing the event. To organize an event of such a scale and grandeur requires seamless coordination and teamwork from departments and agencies across the spectrum. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Chief Secretary of Uttar Pradesh and to the officers of different departments of Government of UP who, under the laboured leadership of Shri Avinash Avasti Ji, CEO UPEDA, and Nodal Officer for Def Expo from Government of UP, who have worked tirelessly to turn this event into a success. I would like to place on record my thanks for the immense hard work put in by the Awas Vikas Parishad, Public Works Department, Nagar Nigam, Electricity Department, UP Police, Fire and Safety Department, Information Department, Medical and Health Services, Infrastructure and Industrial Development Department, and all other associated departments of the Government of Uttar Pradesh who directly or indirectly contributed to make this event a success. I would like to make a special mention of the tremendous help we got from Shri Sabat, Additional DGP, UP, Shri Bhagat IGP, and Shri Naveen Arora, Joint Commissioner, for the for the traffic and crowd management and overall security arrangements. The district administration team, led by Shri Abhishek, also pitched in their best possible efforts to make the event a success. I would also like to convey my deepest appreciation for UPEDA, Udyog Bandhu, and Department of MSME and Culture for putting up such a wonderful exhibit in 3 hangars of UP Pavilion. I would like to convey my immense sense of gratitude to District Administration of Lucknow for helping and facilitating in different dimensions, including accommodations, transport, regulatory clearances, events at Gomti Riverfront, etc. Thanks are also due to UPSTTDC for their wonderful arrangement in the 10th city. I would like to express my gratitude to the Ministry of Defense for reposing faith in us and giving us this important responsibility. We are honored and privileged to have obtained guidance of Honorable Defense Secretary, Special Secretary Defense Production, JS Aero, and other joint secretaries and senior officials as heads of their respective committees. Director DO needs to be a special mention for being the interface between DDP and HAL and beautifully coordinating the same. The exposition is pivoted around the exhibitors. I would like to express my gratitude to all the exhibitors across the globe who honored us by coming to Lucknow at our invitation and have showcased their world-class products. Thank you. I have no words to express my reverence for honorable delegates from different countries, speakers and panelists who, by their presence and active involvement, converted this event into a fora of meaningful engagements and information exchange, which resulted in a record-breaking number of MOUs signed during the event. Any event acquires meaningfulness only through the visitors who come and engage themselves to create value. We are extremely thankful to the visitors from India and abroad who participated with tremendous zeal and fervor to make this Deaf Expo a memorable one. We are thankful to the services for putting up such a wonderful live demonstration both at Vrindavan Yojana and at the Gomti Riverfront, which made this event a global sensation and a talk of the town. I will be failing in my duties if I don't express my sincere sense of gratitude towards CISF, NDRF, SDRF, fire and safety personnel, and other central and state forces who ensured safety and security during this event. We are fortunate to have wonderful professional partners as official fabricators, event management agencies, transport agency, hotels for accommodation and events, caterers, fire services and freight forwarders, etc. This event would not have been possible without their active support and flexibility to accommodate last-minute changes. Thank you very much. I would like to place on record my deepest senses of respect towards various cross-functional and interdisciplinary committees and subcommittees who left no stones unturned to work out to the minutest detail and arrest any possibility of error. I would like to convey my sincerest gratitude towards media personnel who made sure that this event gets global coverage and creates a buzz in defense and aerospace world. Thanks are also due to the volunteers of technical institutes and the supervisors who worked hard for this event. We are thankful to the colleges of Lucknow who sent their students to this exposition. In the end, I would like to place on record that more than 500 of HAL's officers have worked day in and day out for the last few months to convert this event into a reality, and they continue to do the same as I stand here and speak. Team HAL, you made me proud. I might have missed many agencies and names due to the paucity of time, but thanks and gratitude is due for each and every individual, department and agency who directly or indirectly contributed in the success of this event. Thank you, everybody. Jai Hind.